Hello dear students, in today's lesson we will learn how to do substitution. This is the very basics of algebra. So if you have an expression x plus 3 and you have to find value of this expression, find value of x plus 3 when x is equal to 2. That means the expression you have is x plus 3. You need to find what will it be equal to when your x is equal to 2. So what you will do, instead of x you write 2, then plus 3 as it is. That means the value of your expression is 5. I'll say it again. So the value of x plus 3 is equal to 5 when x is equal to 2. This is your final answer. Let's try one more example. Example 2. You have 5 minus p. You have to find the value of 5 minus p when p is equal to 12. What will you do? Instead of 5, you write 5. Instead of minus, you write minus. Instead of b, you write a 12. What is 5 minus 12? It is negative 7. So 5 minus b is equal to negative 7 when b is equal to 12. Let's try one more example. We have d minus 2 when d is equal to 24. So we need to substitute d as 24 minus 2, which is equal to 22. Then we go to multiplication. We have to find the value of 3f when f is equal to 11. So 3 times 11, 3f means it is 3 times f. 4y means it is 4 times y. And in algebra, we often write times like a dot. 4 times y. So a dot in the middle designates multiplication. And if you have a dot here, 2.3, a dot at the bottom designates a decimal. This is 2.3. Okay? And this is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. But this is not 6. This is just 2.3. Okay. Moving forward, 3f would be 3 times 11, which is 33. That becomes your final answer. Another example, you have 93 over h. You need to find its value when h is equal to 3. So 93 as it is, and h is 3. That means the whole expression is equal to 31. Let's take another example. You have n over 5. And you have to find the value of it when n is equal to 15. So it would be 15 over 5. Instead of n, you write 15, and that is equal to 3. Now, we'll go to level 2. The first question in level 2 is 3x plus 5 when x is equal to 2. Now pause the video, give all questions a try, and come back to me with the solutions. Let's go ahead and solve them. Instead of x, I need to write 2. So 3 times 2 plus 5. 3 2 are 6 plus 5. That gives me an answer 11. This is my final answer. Then 3 times x is negative 4. So 3 times negative 4 plus 5. You need to follow the order of operations here. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 plus 5, which gives me a final answer of negative 7. Then you have 4 minus 11 when x is equal to negative 2. You take 4 times negative 2 minus 11. 4 2 are 8, so negative 8 minus 11. And your final answer is minus 8 minus 11, which is minus 19. Let's go here. Instead of x, you write 12. 12 over 3 plus 2. 12 over 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next question. We have x as 7 here. So we'll do 4 times 7 plus 3. First, we solve the part inside the bracket. 7 plus 3 is 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Now, instead of x, you write negative 8 plus 2 over 3. Negative 8 plus 2 gives you a negative 6 over 3. Your final answer is negative 2. Now we are at level 3. Congratulations, you have made it so far. We are given with an equation and we have to do substitution. We want to find the set of values when x is 1, x is 2, and x is 3. So we have x as 1, y is equal to 3 times x plus 2. So our y here would be equal to 3 times, instead of x we write 1 plus 2. That is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So 1 at x equals to 1, my y is 9. Now let's take 2. So I'll take 3 times, instead of x I write 2 plus 2 equals to 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. So when x is 2, my y is 12. Let's take 3. So that gives me 3 times x plus 2, which is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 3 times 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So your value is 15 here. I hope this is clear. And similarly, you can plug in lot of points here as x to get the values of y at those points of x. Now here we have t and p. When t is 5, p is equal to 50 minus 40. So 50 minus 4 times 5, which gives us 50 minus 4 times 5 is 20, which is equal to 30. So this goes as 30 here. Then you have 8 here. And 50 minus 40. 50 minus 4 times 8. That gives 50 minus 4, 8 are 32, which is equal to 18. Finally, you have 10. So 50 minus 4 times 10, which is equal to 50 minus 40, which is equal to 10. That will be it for this class. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you are not new, do hit the like button.